So here we are at 4,200 meters. This campsite require much more work. Of course, we have an amazing team of 3 people, a cook with 2 assistants that are helping. They have a lot of experience just engineering where to put all the tents.
This is our room. Mattress with the good sleeping bags, and in the sides we put all the clothes. This is the storage room, let's say. Here we have the ropes, technical equipment. I love this Phantom Dome because we have a lot of space and the color is just awesome, you know, when you are kind of tired or sad. This color just makes you very happy. Here's the kitchen. We have the master chef and 2 kitchen boys that help him bringing water from the rivers. That's a hard work. We cannot do all these things without their help. Here's our master chef Deepak, one of the kitchen boy Rohan, and the other Santos. Here we have all the solar panels. Welcome to the shower. So here you have, and it's super calm. So bathroom is a very interesting thing. We make a deep hole, and then you have the place where you can go. And we have our table where we eat. Most of the time here in Basecamp, I am wearing this amazing Basecamp down suit. I love it. The bear suit. It's just very cozy and warm and, you know, easy to move. It's also my pajama here in Basecamp. So after all this hard work, our Basecamp is built.